Hello everyone, welcome to Fairy Kidz Channel. This is Honey. Today I'm going to show you how to do unicorn with our magnetic building blocks. So let's start a video and have fun. So let's take this white building blocks, magnetic building blocks, and put it over here. Another white, this yellow magnetic block and put it over here. So next we're gonna take again white and put it under the eye like this. So again we're gonna take our white magnetic block and put it over here like this. Next we're gonna take this pink color magnetic block and put it on the up here, close to the eyes like this. So next we're gonna take this pink magnetic block and put it over here, here. Pink color magnetic block and put it over here. Let's take this building block like this, pink, and put it over here like this. Again pink and put it over here like this. Only over here, not here. We should put this pink magnetic block over here, not over here. So next we're gonna take this white magnetic block and put it over here. Here. Again here. Like this. Now you get like this. Next, take again two white magnetic block and put one magnetic block beside this here, and again take another magnetic building block and put it over here like this. We're gonna take pink building block, this pink, and put it over here. Again next we're gonna take this two blocks. So this is the tail, and here we don't have line, but we should put in middle like this. So next we're gonna take white and put it over here. Continue this step up to down 2 times, here and here. Continue that step, putting that white with magnetic blocks in a row like this. And you see one gap over here, and again put this white building blocks also there. Don't leave that space. And again on the upper like this, and again two over here like this. Next we're gonna take white and put the second row over here. Put all of the row in 2 rows. So we get this row like this. Next we got gonna do the legs. Take 2 building blocks like this, magnetic blocks, and put the front here. Put 1 building block. Only put 2. So this is the leg. Now we're gonna take the pink color and put it over here. Like this. Over here. Leave this place. Put it over here. Like this. Now next we're gonna take this white again and put it over here. 2 whites. And take 1 and put it over here like this. White over here, this white, and again pink over here down. So this is the unicorn. Let's make some birds flying over here, and let's make a heart. Now let's put like this. Now next we're gonna take these 2 reds and put it over here like this in the middle way. So we get like this. Now next we're gonna take this heart again and take it that and put 1 more building block over here. Now put this red heart, this building block should over here. Leave some space in the middle. You can see the line. Leave some space in the middle. So you get like this. Now another side. Here we have leave some space to stay there like this. In an easy way you can put this dash like this and take this one red building blocks and put it over here like this. Now next we're gonna take 3 red building blocks and put 1 over here between this line like this, and again take that and put it over here like this, and again 1 more. So let's do it again. On the down you can see these lines. Put middle of them like this, and take the outer part, this again red one, and put it in the middle, in this 2 middle heart like this. Blue. Take that one and take out that. We can have like this when we buy this magnetic blocks. We get like this sticking together like this. When we bend like this, it will be loose. You see? This time, like this. Like this. Now next, let's make the boats. 3 boats over here and 2 boats over here. So now, how to make boats? We're gonna take 2 yellows and put it over here. You're gonna put this side like this. So finally, these are the boats.